ASAP Property Agents. We are the best by choice. Contact us for your next property experience.
These lovely new units are built in the same style as one of our other recent developments and have proved to be very popular. Ideally located in Centurion, these units are close to schools, shopping malls, the Centurion CBD, major routes and all other amenities. This 3-bedroom unit has the following to offer: a double automated garage, a tiled open plan lounge and kitchen. The lounge leads onto the patio. The fully tiled kitchen offers a high quality finishes and fixtures such as granite tops. There is ample cupboard and worktop space. The bedrooms all have built-in cupboards. The main bedroom offers an ensuite bathroom. The main ensuite offers a bath, basin, shower and toilet. There is also a standalone bathroom with bath, basin and toilet. Outside there is a lovely patio featuring a built-in braai. Come and see for yourself why these units are rated the best sellers by far in Pretoria.